Okay, so we have studied yesterday only. I'm just revising it once again. What do you mean by profession? Profession is something which has well-defined body of knowledge. Well-defined means there is some subject matter which you have to study and then you can continue your profession. Number two, there is a restricted entry. Restricted entry means everyone or anyone cannot go and become that professional. You are supposed to clear some particular examination to become a professional. Like for CA, you have to pass the exam. Okay, pehle CA, CPT and then inter. So afterwards, you will become a CA. Similarly, if you want to become a doctor, you have to clear, like do the MBBS and then post-graduation for the same. Then professional associations are there. The organization, the course or profession, whichever you are opting for, uske liye particular associations are there. Once you become that, you will get yourself enrolled as a member of the association. Right? Like many example दी थी. For lawyers, there is Bar Council of India, and all the lawyers are supposed to get the membership of these association. Now the association will make rules, and you as a member are supposed to follow the ethical code of conduct of the association. Last is service motive. Whosoever profession, whatsoever profession you are entering into, you are supposed to be there to provide services to the people. Now next is management actually a profession? I have already told you management is not exactly profession, but it is on the way to become a profession soon, right? Some of the criteria it also met, some of the criteria it is not exactly meeting, right? So management doesn't meet criteria of a profession, exact criteria of a profession. Number one, well-defined body of knowledge. Management है, मैनेजमेंट में पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है, यस और नो? यस. विच पढ़ाई, कौन सी कॉलेज, कौन सा कोर्स, क्या पढ़ना पड़ता है? Two courses I have told you yesterday. One is MBA and other is PGDBM. Yes, very good. PGDBM, postgraduate diploma in management, and then there are other options also. Okay. Next is there is no restriction in entry. See, जैसे डॉक्टर हर कोई नहीं बन सकता है, मैनेजर बन सकता है. Like if I am talking about a small businessman, for example, आप में से कई बच्चों के पापा business run करते होंगे अपना. So when he is appointing someone as a manager, I'm not sure about this. It's your family and your family business. If the company or the businessman he makes sure that कि वो बच्चा IIM से पढ़ के आया हो, उसने MBA ही किया हो, वो ऑक्सफोर्ड से ही आया हो, या वो मैनेजमेंट की पढ़ाई ही करके आए, no, they just see कि वो बंदा. अच्छा आप बताइए, what are the qualities of a good manager? You want to appoint someone as a manager, आप इंटरव्यू में इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए बैठे हो, तो you say कि what all qualities you will see. Any one of you can raise hand. We should
good communication skills.
Very good. Anirudh said good communication skills should be there. Number one. Number two, Kanav.
Confidence while talking.
Confidence, yes.
And problem solving capability.
Problem solving capability, ठीक है, होनी चाहिए. Number two. Number three हो गया. Hurry up.
Leadership qualities.
Leadership quality होनी चाहिए. Very good.
Leadership qualities.
Yes. What else? Hina.
Should be able to understand different human behaviors and work according to their needs.
Very good. Interpersonal relation maintain करने, social relation maintain करने, you should know. तो आप में से किसी भी बच्चे ने ये नहीं बोला कि मैनेजर की हम पहले डिग्री देखेंगे कि वो IIM से या मैनेजमेंट कोर्स से करके आया है कि नहीं, किसी ने नहीं ना बोला. It means आज की डेट में it is not required as compulsion to get these studies of management to become a manager, right? If a person possesses other all features like you said, confidence है, communication skills अच्छे हैं, manage करना आता है, interpersonal relation अच्छे maintain करता है, so problem solving ability है, confidence है, so he will be appointed as a manager. But at the same time, if a person possesses that thing, like there are 4 candidates, उनमें से एक candidate IIM से MBA करके आया है, तो we will prefer that person or not? डेफिनेटली वी विल प्रेफर दैट पर्सन, क्योंकि वो सब्जेक्ट की नॉलेज भी साथ में लेके आए. बाकी स्किल्स तो उसमें है, बट ही हैज सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज आल्सो. ठीक है, सो इट विल बी प्रेफर्ड बट इट इज नॉट कंपल्शन. So that is why it is written that there is no restriction in entry as a profession. Then there are several profession associations in India for management also. For example, you may have heard this name. All India Management Association is there in India. All India Management Association is there, but it is not compulsory for the managers to get this professional association membership. They are not supposed to take. If they want to take, they can. Otherwise, it's not compulsory. Similarly, the association has some code of conduct also. But if you will become a member, then you will follow. You are not a member, so there is no issue, right? The last one is now manager. हमने पीछे point पढ़ा कि service motive. Now the manager is working in an organization which may be profit making or a not profit organization. He is earning his money. So service motive is somewhere there, but not exactly, right? Because he is there to earn his earning, like salary or remuneration, whatever he is going to get. So that is how we can say that management is a profession. It is not exactly a profession, but soon it will be a profession. Okay, so after this, I have some questions for you. This is what I was planning to cover the next topic, but I thought before starting on the topic, let's discuss some questions. These questions are from the topics which we have already studied. अगर आपने अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा, you will be able to answer. Okay, whosoever is interested to answer will raise hand, and then I'll give you a chance. They are very short answer, means one word answer will be there. Listen carefully, right? Okay, management concerned with reducing cost and increasing productivity through better execution of all the activities of the organization. Identify the related point of importance of management. What is the importance of management which is being discussed here? Ketan.
Increases efficiency.
Very good. The importance of management discussed here is कि efficiency will be increased. Next question. Rajiv, as a production manager, always insists that it is not just enough to complete the production target. Name the another related concept which cannot be overlooked when a manager aims at completing the production target. Anirudh.
Effective.
Effective to beta, he is already effective. They are asking which other concept is there which is not be, which cannot be overlooked. Efficiency. Next is the need for good management is felt equally important both in a restaurant as well as in a school. Now, which feature of management is this? Himanshu?
Management is all pervasive.
Management is all pervasive. Very good. It is applicable everywhere. Next is the various functions of management are simultaneously performed by all the managers all the time. Which feature of management is there? Hina.
Continuous process.
It is a continuous process. Very good. Next is management considered to be a dash activity. As in an organization, diverse individuals with different needs strive to accomplish same goals. Himani.
Management is a group activity.
It is a group activity. Very good. So many different individuals, they are striving to achieve same goal. Next is management is called as dash science. What type of science it is?
Inexact.
Okay, किसी ने ऐसे आंसर दे दिया, अभी मुझे पता नहीं किसने दिया. Anyhow, it is the right answer. Management is called as inexact science. There are some other answers also which can be there. It can be called as a social science. Okay, because we are dealing with human beings, they are social. So social science can be there, and impure science can be there. So these three words can be used alternatively. Like if, for example, MCQ is there. So in तीनों में से कोई भी word होगा, that will be the right answer, right? Next is management as a science lacks something dash. Management as a science lacks dash because the outcome of the actions cannot be predicted with utmost accuracy. Okay, wait. Sanyam.
Universal validity.
Very good. It lacks universal validity. So we are not sure that it will be applicable everywhere or not. Okay. One more. The effect of poor management is reflected through the chaos in the organization. Identify the feature of management. Jasmine.
Management is intangible force.
Intangible, yes. It can be seen through the chaos in the organization, but otherwise it can't be seen. Okay. Last question. Each practicing manager tends to develop his own personal style of management with experience. This statement highlights that management is dash. Amneek Kaur.
Management is art.
Very good. Management is art because everyone has its own style of implementing the same. Okay, one more bonus question if you want to answer. Question is, in order to be successful in an organization, should be able to adapt itself and modify its goals as per the changes in the environment. And which feature of management is there? Okay, Mohak is there. Mohak.
Management is a dynamic function.
Dynamic function. Very good. Management is a dynamic function. Very right answer. So this is a small exercise which I want to do with you just to revise whatever we have studied till now. So one child was asking me about preparation of your notebook, that how to. Okay, so the next topic is what are various functions of management. ये हम already भी किया है कि management is a process. Management is a continuous process. It goes on like this. पढ़ा था कल हमने कि when first we plan, then we implement that plan, then we check, assess कि वो plan successful हुआ कि नहीं, and then we will take another action. Similarly, there are several functions or to be performed by a manager. What are those functions? As you can see on the screen, the functions of management, यहाँ पे this picture, they don't have it in the exact like right manner. I am making it on the board so you can note it down. First is planning. The other one is organizing. The third one is it visible? Okay. First is planning, then it's organizing, then it is staffing, directing, controlling, and then once more it is planning. So you are supposed to make it in a circular way. That is the best way to make the to show that these functions are interrelated. They are in a cyclic form and you are supposed to continually perform these functions. Planning, number 2 organizing, number 3 staffing, then it's directing and controlling. Right? I'm sure you may have noted down. So let's discuss it once. एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. लिखा है functions of management. Management has been defined in the form of a process. हम already कर चुके हैं. Under the management process, many activities are interrelated to each other. These activities or functions are also called as elements of management. इनको हम elements भी बोलते हैं, right? The first one is planning. Now, what do you mean by planning? Planning क्या होता है? Any one of you? Any one of you, please tell me what is the meaning of planning looking at the picture on the screen. You are supposed to tell me the answer with the help of the picture, which you can see on the screen, if it is visible. Anyone, please raise your hand. इस पिक्चर को देख के आपको कुछ आइडिया हो रहा है प्लानिंग क्या है? ओके, संयम.
Ma'am, planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and when to do.
बेटे, I am asking you with the help of the picture. Aditi?
Planning, it is a beforehand or a prior action which helps us to determine how to achieve a desired goal and what to do and how to do it.
Very good. Kannam, with the help of the picture आपने बताना है what this picture says.
Planning is setting a certain sets of rules to achieve something like a goal.
Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, it is about thinking about the activities to achieve a particular goal.
Actually, what all of you are saying, that is very much right. It is all given in the books. I want to see what is your like innovation. आपके दिमाग में कुछ creative आता है कि नहीं? That is what all I want to hear from you. Like I can see there is a person standing on one side, like on a block, and on the other side is the goal which he want to achieve. But on the way, the path, it's not that smooth that he can walk and achieve his goal. So he has to make some plan how to reach to my goal, how I can achieve the goal which I have already set. So he will make some necessary arrangements, some rules he will be planning, kuch forecasting wo karega, kuch strategy wo banayega, and then he will be definitely reaching his goal. So planning is definitely, as you said, it is thinking beforehand. It is a forecasting activity. It is a mental exercise in which we are going to think in advance that what to be achieved during the, like what to be achieved and how we are going to achieve it. Under the planning, see, it is written, it is ascertain that what should be done, hame karna kya hai, then how it should be done, how we will do that, and who is going to do that, right? Number 2, the next function, we are going to do it again tomorrow, but now we are just taking an overview of the functions. Next is organizing. Now, what do you mean by organizing? Again, a picture is there. The person over there is not able to organize things. So what is organizing? Organizing means, yes, any one of you? Anyone?
किसी चीज को प्रॉपरली सिस्टमैटिक ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना.
Very good. किसी भी चीज को प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में हमने करना है, then we will be organizing it. Or we can say जो हमने प्लान किया था, putting plans into action. जो हम प्लान कर चुके हैं कि हमने इस तरह से करना है. Now when we are actually doing it, it will become organizing. As written on the screen, let's read. It refers to harmonious adjustment of various parts. अलग-अलग parts, अलग-अलग type की things हैं, अलग-अलग activities हैं which are to be performed. हमने उनको harmonious way में plan करना है, adjust करना है, so that we can achieve our common objective. In order to make the first function planning successful, the structure of roles need to be framed and sustained. इसके अंदर देखो लिखा हुआ है इन्होंने कि identification and division of work is to be divided, then departments are to be set, and then assigning the duties, establishing reporting relationships, right? That we will discuss tomorrow. And next is staffing. What do you mean by staffing? As the name suggests, staffing means, please complete this statement. Yes, please complete the statement. Staffing means
Post.
Yes.
Appointing different persons to different posts.
Very good. Appointing different persons. Staff रखना है मुझे. मैं businessman हूँ. I want to appoint staff. So staffing is the process of appointing different persons on the vacant post according to what? किसके according हम बंदे को post assign करते हैं? Yes. You are a businessman, you are going to, yes, Himanshu, you want to say something? Okay, so according to the educational qualification or the skills of the person, we are going to appoint that particular person on the given post, right? Next is staffing. Is clear to you? But doubt hai to you can ask me again, it's very easy. Next is directing. Now what do you mean by directing? Again a picture is there. Now the picture says, say, what does it says? Anirudh? Directing means?
तभी जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं उन सबको उनके गोल्स तक, उनके सारे एफर्ट्स को गोल अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के गोल्स तक लेकर जाना.
Very good. Yes, Aditi?
Ma'am, directing, it includes supervising the officials and communicating with them and motivating them.
Directing means basically, देखो हमारे पास labor है. For example, in the picture we have persons with us. We just need to show them the direction, that which direction to go. In case all these persons are moving this arrow in different directions, will it be able to achieve a particular goal? Will it be able to even move from that place? No. What is required? It is required that all the individuals in an organization should be directed to one particular direction. For that direction, what we can do? आप सारे बच्चों को, आपकी क्लास में 74 बच्चे हैं. What I am supposed to do? I am supposed to give you direction. अगर मैं सबको same direction दिखाऊंगी, then only we can reach out to that goal. Got it? मान लो आपकी टीम है, आपकी टीम को मैंने बोला अच्छा ये फुटबॉल है, इसको उस तरफ लेके जाना. You will be able to do that. अगर मैं सबको अलग-अलग direction दिखाऊंगी, then it will be a total chaos and nothing will be done. So what is the role of management or manager? Directing में he or she is supposed to supervise करना कि बंदे सही से काम कर रहे हैं. Number 2, communicate करना, उनको instructions pass करना, उनको guidance देना, उनको help करना. Then उनको inspire करना. अगर वो demotivate हो जाते हैं, कई बार होता है ना कोई बच्चा भी demotivate हो जाता है, तो at time to time उनको motivate करते रहना. Now motivation can be done through different ways. कल आपको बताया था positively भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिवली भी हो सकता है. उसको बोनस देके, इंक्रीमेंट देके, प्रमोशन देके भी हो सकता है, और उसको डिमोशन देके या उसके पैसे काट के भी कर सकते हैं. सो देयर आर बोथ वेज. देन लीडरशिप क्वालिटी एज अ मैनेजर, हम आप में से ही किसी बच्चे ने बोला था, अ गुड मैनेजर शुड पोजेस द एबिलिटी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, लीडरशिप. सो गुड लीडरशिप क्वालिटी शुड बी देयर, एंड देन लीड हम करेंगे अपने ग्रुप को टुवर्ड्स अ पर्टिकुलर गोल, एंड देन द गोल्स विल बी achieved, right? So directing में all these elements are there. 4 elements of directing are there, that is supervision, communication, leadership and motivation. इनमें से supervision अभी हमारे syllabus में उसका ज्यादा कुछ content नहीं है, rest, but we'll do. All these functions are the names of different chapters, right? Kanna, sit straight. Are you feeling sleepy? Okay, but next is controlling. Now what do you mean by control? Now Kanav will tell what is controlling.
Controlling is giving the orders to the labor to work in a exact way that the manager wants.
बच्चे वो तो डायरेक्टिंग था, उनको ऑर्डर्स देना, उनको कहना कि ये हम काम चाहते हैं आप करो, वो तो डायरेक्टिंग डन. What is controlling? Anyone else? Kavya.
Ma'am, controlling is checking the errors and correcting them so that we can achieve our goals in a desired manner.
Very good. Checking and then seeing if there is some. Sanchi also wants to say yes. Sanchi, you are mute. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, managing and controlling the organization for achieving the goal.
But what is controlling? हमने कहा controlling means क्या control करना है. But how to control? What is controlling actually? Yes, Aditi.
Controlling is monitoring the actions.
बेटे मॉनिटरिंग नहीं है, मॉनिटरिंग तो हम डायरेक्टिंग में करा ना, सुपरविजन, दैट वाज मॉनिटरिंग. व्हाट इज कंट्रोलिंग? नाउ सी, मेरे को भी भूल जाता था. व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल आई वाज आल्सो एवरी टाइम आई गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड विद कंट्रोलिंग. इन कंट्रोल करना, उनको पकड़ के रखना है अपने हाथ में, अपना कंट्रोल रखना है उनको ऊपर. नो, इट्स नॉट दैट. तो मेरे को ना एक मेरे टीचर ने बोला एक हिंट रख लो, अगर भूल जाए कभी भी कंट्रोलिंग के लिए, तो थ्रू आउट द ईयर जो आपका टीचर आपके साथ करता है, क्या करता है? आपको गाइड करता है, मॉनिटर करता है, सुपरवाइज करता है, वो होता है डायरेक्टिंग. थ्रू आउट द ईयर योर टीचर यूज्ड टू डायरेक्ट यू, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर व्हाट हैपेंड? साल के एंड में क्या होता है? जिस दिन सारे बच्चे डरते हैं, पेरेंट्स को लेके स्कूल जाना पड़ता है, क्या होता है उस दिन? सबसे खतरनाक, व्हाट इज दैट? बताओ बताओ.
रिजल्ट होता है.
रिजल्ट होता है. वो रिजल्ट क्या होता है? टीचर देखता है कि मैंने पूरा साल पढ़ाया, इज द चाइल्ड एबल टू गेट 33% और कितने स्कूल में 40% मार्क्स एटलीस्ट. सो मेजरिंग द परफॉर्मेंस विच यू वर सपोज टू गेट. टू मेजर करना परफॉर्मेंस को, कंपेयर करना कि क्या स्टैंडर्ड मीट हुए, कि परफॉर्मेंस कम हुई, ज्यादा हुई, इट वाज सेटिस्फाइड और नॉट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कंट्रोलिंग. रिजल्ट कंट्रोलिंग के साथ याद रखना भी आगे से कि व्हाट इज कंट्रोलिंग. टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इट इन डिटेल. आज आप घर से इसको पढ़ लोगे और टिल नाउ आपने अपने नोट्स कंप्लीट करने हैं. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड फॉर टुडे. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क. वील डू इट टुमारो अगेन.